Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I decorated and celebrated my daughter's birthday in minimum budget. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video, friends. I always have a habit of taking some pre-shoot before her birthday, so I took her to a park and took some photos in my iPhone and edited them using Lightroom. You can see how beautifully it has turned out, and did some small decor at home so she could cut the cake before leaving to school. She actually had school on her birthday. The sad thing was she was not allowed to distribute any chocolates or wear colored dress on her birthday. So you can see she was so excited to cut this cake. And this is the invite I designed using Canva. It's a very useful app. I'll share the link in the description box. Even this I designed using Canva, and we got it printed like 60 numbers for 100 rupees or something, and that is the return gift I gave. It is affordable organic store. You guys can check it out. As she went to school, I started decorating the clubhouse at her home. So you guys can do this balloon arch even at home. I actually did it last year for my daughter's birthday at my home. I will share the link of that birthday decorations in the description box below. If you don't have any person to help you, you can try out that. It's very simple and easy. So this is how the decoration was turning out. I just loved it. I thought the blue light was little bright, so I wanted to change it to some other color. So I just informed the person to do it and went to get my daughter ready. So all these materials I got from Amazon, except for the letters I got from Kronos. I will share all the details in the description box below. You guys can check it out. It costed me around like 3,000 for this entire decor. So if you're doing it yourself, you can use those garland tape and try it. And you can see I got my daughter ready, and the center table was also ready. So this is how the decoration was looking. Since we had some time before cake cutting, we planned some games. And once the cake cutting was done, we took some photos and also conducted a game for these kids. You can see keeping so many kids occupied for a time is really very difficult. So we conducted some games before the food got ready, and they were really very excited. We also planned to conduct musical chair, but as it was a weekday, the kids had to leave soon, so we could only do 2 games. This was the menu which I planned for my daughter's birthday. All the items were from the Waterfall Restaurant, and the cake was from my favorite, the Sugar Monkeys. I'll give the link to her Instagram page in the description box below. And I also took printout of the menu and stuck it at the entrance glass door. And you can see my daughter was distributing chocolates to her friends after the party, and everyone had a very good time. And regarding the return gift, many of them texted me saying that it was a really very good gift because it's like growing a plant from the scratch, so the kids are going to love it. And I thought it's the need of the hour. And after the party was over, we just sprayed snow and these paper sprinklers, because like my daughter wanted snow as it's Elsa party. And we took some photos after the party was over with our close buddies. And here she is doing her Elsa dance for the song Let It Go. So with clear execution and planning, I have celebrated her 6th birthday in minimum budget. I did not spend any big bomb for this. So you guys can do it too. I will share her previous birthday celebrations in my description box below, where you can see how to do this balloon garland. I hope you guys would have got some ideas from this video. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi signing off. Bye bye, friends.